New siding will add value and beauty to your home, but how much will it reduce your energy costs? Since 1984, Liberty Exteriors has been helping customers make better decisions about siding and more. We're the leading specialists in exterior home renovations. Our expert staff teaches you the things you need to know. From performance to energy efficiency, there are more options than ever before.
I started the business in 1984, and in 1996, Joe, my brother, we went into the family and he started buying in shares, and we're up to 27 employees at this time. After 2 years of employment, we get them certified, and we probably have the largest number of certified installers in all aspects of the building industry. When we are out evaluating a project, we always like to take the products and educate the customer on its energy efficiency and its lifetime. Most of our products that we use in the market today are steel. We feel that steel is the most rigid, has one of the better warranties in the industry. We're going to put on a vapor barrier, a Tyvek vapor barrier behind your siding, so that'll stop any wind infiltration into your home. And then when we side it, you'll have the longevity of anywhere from 50 years to a lifetime on no maintenance on the exterior of your home. Some of the last few words we'll tell a customer as we're leaving the job site is that if you notice something today, tomorrow, a month from now, years from now, call us. We would love to come out and take a look at it and resolve any problems or issues that you might be having. The passion and dedication that I have here shows through in every one of our employees to get results.
I've worked with Liberty Exteriors on both my own personal home and also as a general contractor.
Although I was pretty sure that I wanted to go with the steel siding, Dave did mention the other types of siding that were available and gave me some options and some prices.
Liberty Exteriors is probably one of the strongest contractors in terms of being detailed in their quotes. I like that as a contractor, and of course as a homeowner that's a great feature.
Before the trailers and the equipment were hauled away, everything was done to my satisfaction before they left, and I think they just did an excellent job.
Liberty Exteriors is somebody that I can go to, find the right product, find the right finish that my client is looking for.
They started in May and finished the first part of June, just as we had agreed to.
They're respectful of homeowners and they clean up after themselves. That's a great detail.
We'd be more than happy to recommend Liberty.
I do recommend Liberty Exteriors. I work with them on a continued, ongoing basis. They work on many of my custom homes, and they've also done work for me personally.
Visit this website to learn more about our products and services. For a free in-home estimate, call us toll-free at 1-800-698-4061. Rest assured and worry-free, we'll do the job you want the way you want it done. Liberty Exteriors. The price we quote is the price you pay.